Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video we will see how to log out of thread. Also I wonder why you want to know how to log out of thread. Maybe you want to log out of threads because you're facing some lags, so you just want to log out and log in again, so it might help you. Or maybe you want to log out of your account because you want to switch the device, or maybe you want to log in into another account, or it could be any other reason for you to log out of threads. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure is that you have already installed the Threads app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Threads app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. At the top, you will see the logo of the app, and there you will see at bottom we have 5 options. With the help of this first option, you could find threads, and with the help of this option, you can explore things, and with the third option, you can create or post threads. And here you can check your notifications, and here is a sign for your profile. So if you want to log out, you have to go to your profile first and then you can log out. So for that you have to click onto this icon, which is your profile icon. Once you get into your profile, you will see this interface. Here you will see your profile icon and other information regarding profile. If you have done any replies or threads, they will appear here. But as we are here to log out, therefore we have to go to settings. And if you want to go to the settings, you have to click on these two lines, as you can see this one. Therefore just simply tap onto these options. Once you get into here, first you read the title of settings and you will see bunch of these options. Every option here is different from each other and performs its own task in the app. Now if you want to log out, you have to go to this last option, log out. Once you tap on it, you will get logged out of your account. Here I clicked on it and it is asking that log out of your account. So if you're thinking that what will happen to your information or data of your account if you log out it, so don't worry, your information and all the data will be saved, and once you log in back you will get these things back, so you don't have to worry about missing your data. So just simply click on this logout option and it will just take a while, and after that your account will be logged out. So here you can see we are on the front page, and now if you again want to log in, you have to click on this option which says login with Instagram. You have to tap on it, then you have to enter your email address or username and your password to Instagram, and you will get back to your account. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can get logged out of threads. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.